to Thailand.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Are you gonna have a good Christmas?
Yes.
What did we do? We just made chocolate chip cookies.
Yes.
We just made chocolate chip cookies, and I gotta get on an airplane and go back to Thailand. So we'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys later. We'll see you guys later. Wait, why is Rob back in America? I'm not. Still. What? Still. So, I just wanted to show you my friends and Patreons. Last night I got to go see the first time I've ever got to meet any of my Patreons, which was Grant and Tracy. Grant's a musician. I mean, he's so good at it that he doesn't even like it. You know those people that they can draw everything and they don't like to paint? Well, Grant's one of the best drummers I've ever heard, and he doesn't like to drum. And Tracy's a awesome cook who I'm connected with telepathically. I don't know why. We wasn't even friends when we were young. Do you hear this bird? That bird followed me back from Pattaya. I heard it all in Pattaya. Never had heard it here in Bangkok. Now it's here. Damn thing followed me. Well, that can't be good. 20 seconds in Thailand, Thailand Rob. What's going on here? That really can't be good. There's water just pouring out. Oi. Oh, she's cleaning. That's the lady that hemmed my pants for me one time. Sorry, cop. At first I was worried a water pipe had busted or something up there, and that would be bad on the 3rd floor. Woo! Anyway, good morning. Woke up this morning and I had so many comments to read, and thank you for all the comments. They're really good. You guys are so nice. But I got busy responding and reading, and then I saw some comments from weeks ago that I guess unfortunately I was traveling, and so I just did like a quick thank you and moved on. So I luckily stumbled back upon some of the older comments and found you know who I'm talking about. I found a couple of you out there. Somebody cop. And I found just hilarious stuff. Some of you guys are just awesome. You made me want to fly to other parts of the world just to meet you. Oh my gosh, you guys are cool. So anyway, I was gonna do all that. I had 2 cups of coffee, and I thought, okay, I need to take a shower. I need to wash some clothes. And then I thought, well, why do that when I can go down here and have a Coca-Cola? You know, I mean. Oh boy. Whatever. I find it funny that people are driving by on their motorbikes and they're looking at me like I'm strange because I got the camera on the tripod. They should all know me by now. I'm the friend with the camera. I'm that guy. That's a big ass truck. It's taller than almost the building. My dad was saying that on camera these look really tall. And now that I look at them, I think that is tall. That is taller than the ones in America. I don't know. Maybe. Okay. It's over 2 iPhone 4s. That's all I got to an iPhone 4. If it was an iPhone 5, it'd probably be the same height. Okay. How to measure in Thailand. The thing I love about the GoPro camera, oh, there's several things. One, it fits in your pocket. 2, you can drop it. I mean, I've dropped mine several times. Well, everything about the GoPro is nice, except no zoom at night. Can't do anything with it at night. Even though I do wish sometimes there was the zoom. There's a couple of videos I watched where guys film with some really decent cameras and they can see themselves as they're doing it and they can adjust the lighting and all, and that's pretty cool. It really is cool. All right, after 2 cups of coffee and half a Coca-Cola, I realized maybe I should have eaten some breakfast. Alright, getting jittery. And that's a lot of drinks.
Can you take this asshole back to America, please?